My name is Angela. My dad suffered a stroke 2 years ago and left him paralyzed on his right side. I met Ben a few weeks ago and he introduced me this product, Alpha Spin. And he showed me a lot of testimonial on how these products can help a lot of people. So we decided to give it a try on my dad to see whether it helps my dad to move his limbs. So last Saturday, Ben and his team helped me out on this test. So we went down and we conducted this experiment on my dad. We placed 8 Alpha Spin with my dad at the center, and we also let my dad soak his leg in the Alpha Spin water, and using the Alpha Spin we massage my dad on his limbs and his leg. And I'm very thankful to Ben. He spent almost 1.5 hours to 2 massaging on the same limbs of my dad, and I also help on my dad on his leg. So it's quite amazing. Within that 1.5 hours, I can see the effects. My dad started to move his limbs. He can lift up his leg and he can also straighten his hands. So that's very good. Thank you, Ben, for helping.